Iburo nga kayo din sa pagitan ng kasimana, matapos karoon ng surprise, naka-buy orange, so parang kabalikan na, ayan ising niya, kabalikan na, hindi ka na magkalalaan. Ang mga tinatawag color attraction. So sa inyong kataran, I am happy na nakahiwat ko sa okasyon sinusubo ini. Anong purpose ini? Anniversary election, wala? Ayun din lang, simple. Salamat. Well, I could make some sort of backgrounding about ang purpose sa kabalikan. Pero mga ko, ano kung pala ang tuyo sa kabalikan? Ano ang tungkol sa kabalikan? Ang ginapangita sa kabalikan is sa inyong pagservisyo may tawag na totality sa pagkawag na peacefulness. Tigabuli ka mo yung bantay sa aton nga lugar, bantay bayan, bantay publiko. So ini yung communication. This communication organization is reminiscent sa panahon pa sa Marciano na bantay sarado. So kung aware na sa mga katabo, na ang ating purpose is na magbantay kita because we want peace. Di ba nga bisa galing sa ating Holy Bible sa pag-anaw sa unang panahon during that great flood? Pagkatapos yung anaw, ipadala ni Noah ang iyang mga sakong mga hayop sa iyang arka. Tapos, ay iba may kabalik sa musabwa. Ang crow, ang ulihida, nagbalik kami, dala naga ining dahon sa iba sa kawil. It symbols peace. Alam mo na ang purpose ka, since time immemorial, people always look for peace. Sa ato sa mga pag-natawag, in our quest for development and progress, sa aton nga sila sa Muradal, ever since my time I was the mayor, aton nga purpose is always maintain peace sa aton nga lugar. Karon sa inyong pag-hilyosa, you have that unity. You have that dynamism. You have that uptick, presence of mind, kag alertness nga ginabantayan natin nga kahelwayan, katawhayan. So in this regard, not only na ang gobyerno ang mag-appreciate sa inyo. But much more, if the community is aware of what you are doing, the community must also be inspired and take activeness to support and cooperate on whatever needs you have, which is much necessary. Unta atong local government, atong mga katawan diri, kaya man mag-share sila na sort of volunteerism na mag-support sa aton nga sumos nila mga civic organization. These are what we call service organization because you will be doing service to our people and community. Imagine, bisa doon kita ka-develop na lugar kung wala ang tao kasi tawag na unity, support, and cooperation, we will never achieve our goal. This is very much inherent on what we look for if we want a progressive community and local government. Karon ng mga panahon yan tanaw ko, because there are so many changes, you have to look upon the national government is not so stable. Lang pa sila siyang vlog na sometimes we come to question them sa pananaw, babi, Gusto sa alam, kulang sa wisdom. There are so many movements in our governmental program wherein our leaders, national leaders, they are somewhat careless na may mga actions, may mga hublag sila na hindi saying welcome sa ato yung community. Sometimes it becomes dangerous. Ang ilang inugraya, mapahama kita ako, hindi kita mareklamo. Unta ko sila may wisdom, ang ilang inakubra na talakay sa payo, na analyze si payo, it would bring danger to our people. Hindi ito pa-aware. Ang muna nga ito naman niya pamuntra sa gobyerno, people are doing this, our citizenry are doing this because we want to protect ourselves. You know what I mean? Recently, hindi pasasang Congress nga BBL. Kung ang ato niya mga leaders sa Congress, they failed to support. They failed to show their awareness, how hot they are, how strong they are in discussing publicly. Di ano ang aming kumanito mag-discuss yung isog ng ito. So, mabutan din ko kung sumara ito ang judgment sa mga committee. I-recommendar naman niya, kita naman supusin eh. Of course, wala kita kabuhita singgulo because we want friendliness and peace. We want to live with our brothers outside of our realm as Christians, other group of people. We want to live peaceably. We want nga, ato niya mga buhay nito mag-side by side, hitasing mga buhay. Like brothers and sisters, kawala singgulo. Iniiwasan ng tawagan ng mga extreme trouble na magkaroon singgulo sa ato niya katawan. Because we do not want our community na madislocate tungkol sa mga gulo-gulo, may evacuation, may mga talabangan na man-made calamity. Kaya ito na ito mga calamity, natural made and man-made. Kung ang natural made na calamity, hindi maiwasan because pagbuod sa ating mga ako, we are all ready to accept the man-made calamity. However, kung mo lang ang man-made calamity ato nang iwasan, kung pwede masulbar sa mayo na sulbaron ta. In this case, if in case our leaders are not so prudent, if in case our leaders are not using much of their wisdom in doing things with what they want, magkaroon naman si pag-hublang-hublang katawan, behavior ba? Na kutik-kutik naman, o mungkirin, lugay-lugay, may kagulo-gulo naman. Because of the abnormality of our leaders in handling the program. So, in this case, sino ang class ni course na nagabantay sa aton? First of all, communication must be active. The dynamism of our people in the communication field, that's why you must be on the alert always. Bantay community through communication. Kung wala si communication, katap ka na bumbahan yung record. Pero wala na communication, at ito pa sa rayon ng probinsya, mabatian mga dali. Sa other parts of the world, alin na sa aton sa Barbet. So wala si masiling sino masukudan siya na organisasyon. Gina-aksiptar nga sa community inang sa mga isyulahan nga ilang fraternity. Nga ilang purpose is just mere brotherhood. Hindi pwedeng kabalikan nga ang purpose is communication in service. In service to the people, in service to the people, to the community, to the area, sa atong scope, sa atong lugar rin. So much more, I would wish na padagpuan yung organisasyon. Not only in Toradar, but in some other towns, I would expect na dapat active man para ang bilog ng probinsya magkaroon tayo siyang tawag na a very good, excellent, and unsleeping watchdog. If in of you are sleeping, 20 a week, ay ibig sabihin, may ka nang go into zero communication program or service. So, make yourself what you call strong, healthy, make yourself to be provided with a clean mind, heart, and as more ang inyong honesty in dealing with your program. So, the people are waiting for you. In election to come, you are ready. But in election to come, you must not be biased. Kaya dapat ang inyong Kristo is tungo sa pagpubliko talaga. Practice this because this is part of your personal leadership. Someday, after you thorough training sa kabalikat, inyong combination, how you communicate with others to rally behind, na mabilaw na kanya through you, ang muna na bagayan ng masarayan ng spirit mo. Someday who knows, you too will become leaders. You are not leaders on your own way of capacity. But who knows? Time will come. Kasi kung ano naman sa politics, hindi ka masigilan ng tawag ng communication because you were able to experience this actually when you were still young in service. So good health, good mind, good heart, and your principle, your courage, be courageous this time because we want to promote the welfare of the people, not only in Colorado but in the entire country. You are part and parcel of this program to come. You are part and parcel of what will happen in our community. Be watchful because natural calamity may come, and also man-made calamity may come out of for our house, as it is area, and we will be avoiding the panicky situation. Nakakawin niyo mag-panic, ang issue sa lugar sa mayo. Karoon ka sa many issues. Number one, like the issue karoon sa area sa mayo issue. Ang tawag ka ba yung magrupo na nag-ilipon, nag-kapanaman sa ipula, kaya nag-awag ka sa mga program. May nag-awag na ideas sa program. So may nag-awag na, may nag-awag, may nag-awag, may nag-awag, may nag-awag. Inahanap mo na mag-awag na like mining. May nag-awag na nag-against mining. May nag-awag na pro-mining. Both economic and gusto. Because public opinion-wise, hindi ko magalaw ng tao. Like may problema sa transportasyon, kumayaman na siya limit. May kontra, may pako. Dito, dito kapon, hindi magkasugot ng tao. Kaya nawag ka sa agreement. This cannot be finished. But what is good, there are people like you who will make some sort of pacifying in this confirm ang mga report sa kanilang community. Kung wala ako, tulong ang mga community. We cannot allow our community to be asleep because their services are being need to maintain the ultimate purpose, which is peace for everyone and peace for our community, peace for our country, so that we can achieve the happiness, the purpose that we want in our life. Sa inyo na akong pinapasalamatan, yung gratitude, and something I need to help to support you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.